What's up, everyone? I just got my new electric rolling massager here. Let's open up the box, see what comes inside. Wow, very nicely packaged. So you have your power adapter here, so you can change the voltage right there. Put that aside. Oh yeah, so 2 lightsabers here. These look really cool. And your massager here. You can see that these balls each are individual. They spin on their own. It's like a high quality rubber, each one of these. All right, so to put this together, all you're gonna do is put this right inside here, spin it a little bit, and it locks right into place. Do it the same with the other handle here. Locks that right in. This side here has your forward and reverse mode here. And there's where the power adapter goes, so let's plug that in. All right, so to plug that in, just goes right in like that. There's actually a little screw there. You can screw it right in, tighten it up, nice and secure there. Take your electrical plug, plug it in. Let's turn this bad boy on here. So, oh yeah, look at that. This will give you a nice, great massage. This be great for after working out, those long runs. Oh yeah, this feels great. You can really feel those beads just massaging your muscle. It feels so good. So there is a forward and reverse button. Goes both directions just like that. Another great feature here is that you can change the voltage on this power adapter. You can move it up and down, and that's going to change the intensity of the massage roller. If you're looking for a great way to relax your muscles after a long day at work, you're working out, playing sports, this massage roller is a great option. You definitely should check it out. It's super easy to use. Like I said, that you can use it on yourself. You don't have to be relying upon anyone else. Yourself a great massage every day, every night. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.